But today we got Shopkins. We got two. We got from Toys R Us.
Well done, kids. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll open up these two new Shopkin toys that we got from Toys R Us. Let's open up this one first. It's Shopkins Season 3 12-pack, which includes 2 hidden Shopkins and ta-da! Includes this special edition polished pearl Shopkin inside. Let's check the box for 12 Shopkins, 4 shopping bags, 1 shopping basket, and 1 collector's guide. Ta-da! Here are all the Shopkins we found inside the box. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for this cute pink scissors, 11 and 12 Shopkins all together. Now, let's ask the kids what they think these items are. Are you ready? What's this?
A sandwich. A sandwich. A cake.
Duh. She's not a sandwich or a cake. Her name is Scani. She's an English scone filled with cream and jam. She's a common Shopkin. How about this one?
A telephone. A telephone.
Excellent answer, kids. His name is Chatter. He is a telephone during Mommy's time. He's now a vintage telephone and is also a rare Shopkin. Now, what's this, kids?
A knife. A knife. A picture. A knife. A picture.
Duh. She's not a picture or a knife. Her name is Pink Pop Rock. She's a common but very cute Shopkin. These tiny rock candies would pop in your mouth once it touches your tongue. Cool! How about this one?
A toast. A toast. Ketchup. Ketchup.
Well done, kids. She is a toast. Her name is Toasty Bread. She's a common Shopkin. However, that's not ketchup on her head. It's either jelly or jam. Okay, what's next?
A hat. A hat? Your hat.
Yay! She is a hat. Her name is Hattie Hat. She's a common Shopkin. This next one looks kinda tricky. What is it, kids?
A carrot. I like carrots. And I like carrot.
A white carrot sounds pretty close. Her name is Wild Carrot. She's a common Shopkin. Mommy's favorite. What's this?
A shoe. A shoe. A silver. A silver bowl. A ribbon.
Woohoo! She is a shoe, either with a ribbon or a bow. They're both correct. Her name is Beverly Hills. She's a common Shopkin and she's Mommy's favorite this season. What's this, kids?
Ketchup. A ketchup. A ketchup. A ketchup.
Okay, she is red like a ketchup, but she's a sausage. Her name is Sausage Sizzle. She's a rare Shopkin. Let's move on. How about this one?
With hamburger with green meat.
Duh. He's not a blue hamburger with green meat. Ew. He's actually a sweet treat named Macaroon. He's a rare Shopkin. How about this next one, kids?
Scissors! Yay!
Well done, kids. She is a pair of pink scissors. Her name is Snippy. She's special edition Shopkin and she's also part of the Polished Pearl collection. How about this next one?
A pass. A pass. A small pass. A small pass. A big pass. Small pass.
They both passed on this one. She's a green version of Stella Stapler. She's a special edition Shopkin and part of the Polished Pearl collection. How about this last one?
A triangle. A triangle.
It is a triangle and it's also a rain hat. Look at the details on the hat. You see a blue umbrella and 2 raindrops. Her name is Taylor Rain. She's a rare Shopkin. Now, let's unbox this Shopkins Supermarket Scramble game, which includes 2 exclusive Shopkins and, as you can see in the small window there, we already have 1, 2, 3 Shopkins revealed, but which one is the 4th one? Inside this box should be 1 folding game board, 4 Shopkins, that's why we bought it, 16 Shopkins tokens, 1 spinner card, and 1 set of rules. It looks like this game is a collaboration between Pressman and Moose Toys. Yay! Now let's open it, kids. Here are all the items inside the box. Now let's ask the kids what these 4 Shopkins are. Are you ready? This one is super cute. What is it, kids?
A cheese. A cheese.
Bravo, kids. He is a cheese. His name is Cheesy. He's a common Shopkin, but we love him a lot. Now, how about this one?
A green apple. Sour green apple. Apple.
Green sour apple sounds pretty close. She's green apple blossom. She's a common Shopkin, and she's ultra cute. How about this one?
Tape. A tape. Tape. A tape. Tape.
You got it, kids. His name is Roller Tape. He's an exclusive Shopkin from Season 2. How about this lucky last one?
A rainbow candy. Let's open it.
She does look like a rainbow candy. Her name is Miss Candy. She's an exclusive Shopkin from Season 2. Don't know if we can open it though. Remember our green macaroon Shopkin? Well, he now has a sister in pink made out of Play-Doh. Ta-da! Meet Laruna. She's a one-of-a-kind Shopkin made entirely of Play-Doh. And she's also one of E2's favorites right now. If you like this DIY idea, please check out our previous video on how to make your own modeling clay or Play-Doh Shopkins. Enjoy, guys! That's it for today. Let us know which one is your favorite Shopkin in the comment box below. We hope to see you next time. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys!
Bye, friends!